All right, today we are going to look at all the other 2D shapes. What is a word that covers all 2D shapes? It's a bit of a trick question, so be prepared for me to say yes almost. Go. Polygon is correct. So it is the kind of question, we sort of had the funny joke yesterday for some of us that were listening, but a polygon means poly, many, gon, sides, okay? Many-sided shape. It does not mean a parrot who has left the cage, all right? That is not a polygon, all right? So, many-sided shape. It includes our triangles and our, what's the other one? Quadrilaterals. Got it. I'm glad you didn't say squares. Okay. So I said that there is one two-sided shape. Two-sided, two-dimensional shape. Some people in here already know because I told them, but does anybody else know what the two-sided, two-dimensional shape is? It is not a polygon. It's a circle. All right? Has an inside and an outside. That's just two sides. All right. Anyway, moving on. So we've done three-sided shapes, triangles, four-sided shapes, quadrilaterals, and today we're going to go from there. So the next one up, please put your hand up, is a what? After a quadrilateral, it's a five-sided shape, and it's got a special name, which is a, Griffin? Pentalateral. Pentalateral. Pentagon.
It could be. No, you can call it pentalateral if you want. I'm going to. I'm going to pentagon specifically.
Okay, five sides. Anything with five sides. The next one up. Come on, guys, being brave. Taylor. A hexagon. Or a hexagon. Because we do a polygon. It's not a polygon. All right. Do your best job at drawing them. Okay. Six sides. Two-dimensional. No hedras. What's the next one? This one is an interesting one. Get it, babe. The most common name for it is a heptagon. Does anybody know the less common name for it? William? Right, a septagon, and that's the difference between the Romans and the Greeks. All right, we have the same thing in athletics. We have the heptathlon, but some people call it a septathlon. It's not, though. It's a heptathlon. So trying to draw a shape with seven sides. Being careful. One, always do the straight one first. Not too far out. That's 3, 4, 5. We're about to be a regular. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, just 7 sides. Cool. All right, the next one is a place in Washington, D.C. called the
Pentagon.
Where did that come from? There was a voice, but yes, Emma, octagon. Okay. There's also an octagon in New Zealand that's very famous. Anybody know where it is? Dunedin. It's the centre of Dunedin. It's called an octagon. So what we do is we draw it down and a side and a side and a what? Commonly used. Go. Stop sign. Good. Commonly used thing is an octagon. A stop sign. All right. Last two. Next one. Go, William. A nonagon. You're a noggin. Now this one's really hard. You just have to keep going and hope that you make it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. And a decagon. 10 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's got 10 sides. It is a decagon. Okay. So we really like these ones that I've tried to draw here. I've heard the word mentioned. They have a special name. For ones that have approximately, they actually have exactly the same size sides. Does anybody know what they're called? Over here again.
Are they regular?
Right, regular shapes. So I'm going to write a little bit about regular shapes.
I think it should be a negative.
So in a triangle, it's an equilateral triangle. In a quadrilateral, it's a square. That's because it has the same size angles as well. Right? And then we have a pentagon and a hexagon and all of those things. Does anybody know anywhere else that they might have seen things called this? Similar to this? These four. Anywhere else in our natural everyday life that has names that are very similar to these guys? They have a burr on the end of them. Very good. September, October, November, December. Very strange. Because they're not the months of 7, 8, 9 and 10, are they? Why aren't they? Griffin?
Were they named that when the different calendar was around?
Yes, they were. They were named that back when there were only 10 months. And then a certain person came around and decided that they were so important, we had to have 2 months that were named after him.
Was that January?
No, it wasn't. Connor? No. Hush?
April?
No. Nina?
May, March?
No. William? July and August. His name was Julius Augustus Caesar.